हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आपका कंटेंट मॉन्स्टर्स के एक और एपिसोड में। और आज के इस एपिसोड में हम रिव्यू कर रहे हैं तूफान को। तूफान जो काफी समय से बन रही है और फाइनली रिलीज हुई है अमेज़न प्राइम वीडियो पर। तूफान के मुख्य कलाकार हैं फरहान अख्तर, मृणाल ठाकुर, परेश रावल, मोहन अगाशे, दर्शन कुमार, सुप्रिया पाठक, हुसैन दलाल और विजय राज। अब डायरेक्ट किया है तूफान को राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा ने। और राकेश मेहरा और फरहान अख्तर की लास्ट कोलैबोरेशन भाग मिल्खा भाग बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रही थी। इट वॉज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस बोथ क्रिटिकली एज वेल एज कमर्शियली। तो ऑडियंस को काफी उत्साह है, काफी एक्साइटमेंट है कि ये दोनों दिग्गज जब वापस आ रहे हैं, जब वापस कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, व्हाट वुड बी द आउटपुट। क्या ये उन एक्सपेक्टेशंस पर खरी उतरती है? डज इट गिव एज मच एज भाग मिल्खा भाग गिव? अब जहां तक कि परफॉर्मेंसेस का सवाल है, फरहान अख्तर एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्रू पैक इनफ पंचेस टू कीप यू इंटरेस्टेड, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द स्टोरी डज नॉट। सो लेट मी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर द फिल्म एंड व्हाट डजंट। स्टार्टिंग विद व्हाट वर्क्स for the film. One, performances. Clearly Farhan Akhtar has put in a lot of effort, both in terms of getting the physicality of the character right as well as his own performance.
क्या करेगा बॉक्सिंग सीख के?
इज्जत वाला जैसा फीलिंग आया उसमें।
इज्जत का मतलब मालूम है?
There is clearly a lot of sincerity in his performance and it shows. The part where he plays the goon from Dongri, which is Ajju Bhai, that part doesn't come naturally to someone like a Farhan Akhtar, but he has made a lot of effort and you can see that effort. He's really trying hard and I think he does a decent job. And the other part, which is the boxer, Aziz Ali Urf Tufan, is very clearly shines through. He really takes the film and carries the film on his heavy shoulders, and I think he's done a brilliant job and hats off to all the effort he's put in. The rest of the cast, Paresh Rawal and Mohan Agashe, the two veterans, phenomenal.
खून पसीना एक करके तूने अपना घर बनाया, संभाल उसे।
I think both of them have done a great job and they really lend the film a lot of depth, a lot of gravitas, and again hats off to their performances. Mrinal Thakur is the surprise packet of the film. Her radiant smile, her bright and effervescent nature, and I think she brings a lot of liveliness to the proceedings and I think she's done a very good job. She's got a very good role and I think she's done a lot of justice to it.
ये अज्जू भाई, ये अजीज अली बॉक्सर, क्या बनना है?
One more character that I'd like to point out is that of Husain Dalal, who plays Farhan Akhtar's sidekick, especially during the early portions when he is that goon from Dongri. And I think Husain Dalal has done a fantastic job. There is a lot that this guy can offer Indian cinema, and I think post this film he will do a lot of good roles. I'm sure he will get a lot of good roles basis this performance. So hats off to him too.
मोहम्मद अली का नाम सुना है?
हाँ, तिलिया गली का कसा एक नंबर का छपड़ी।
Vijay Raj has got a very brief role. I think he normally does well and he's done well here too. Darshan Kumar has got a typical role which he's been getting in most films and web series lately. I think he needs to be used a lot better by Indian cinema. I think he's a good actor, but I think he's getting typecast in similar roles. But all in all, I think in the performance department this film clearly shines. So that's the first positive. The second is I think the interaction between the characters. I think the interaction between Ajju Bhai and his sidekick played by Husain Dalal, very nice. I think in a sense you're reminded of Munna and Pakya from Rangila in the way they interact. The interaction between Aziz Ali and Nana Prabhu as the boxing coach and his student, I think there were some very nice moments, especially in the initial part when he's training him, and towards the end part the more emotional moments between the two. The romance between Farhan and Mrinal, again I think very nicely done. It reminds you of the old school romance, and they both play their parts very well. The interaction between Farhan and his daughter, again there's some nice emotional moments there. So I think the equations between the characters and the way they interact with each other is again one of the high points of the film. The third is the boxing scenes. They've been picturized very well. I think Jay Oza's cinematography is brilliant, is top notch. Some of the aerial shots which cover Dongri, which cover parts of Mumbai where Farhan is practicing, look very good. So these three are clearly the highlights of the film. There is a lot of effort, like I said, which has gone into making of the film, and you can see the sincerity of effort. So full marks on that front. Now what doesn't work for the film? First part is cliches. Now this film has all the tropes of any boxing film that you might have seen in the past. And even otherwise, there are a lot of cliches that you would have seen in any Hindi sports drama film which have been incorporated here. Some of them would be clearly the theme of the film, which is the rise, the fall and the rise again of a sporting star. The other is how the female protagonist pushes the male protagonist into a sport and how she becomes the inspiration for the sport. Now that's clearly coming from Sultan. The second half where he's put on weight and he's coming back to boxing is again something you would have seen in Sultan. You can see a lot of resemblances to films like Panga, Dangal, Sultan in many places. So those cliches continue. So that to me really pulls the film down. Most importantly, it sometimes looks too easy. His journey from a goon from Dongri to a state level boxer, or his journey from someone who has been banned from boxing, who's not done boxing for 5 years, who has a belly now, from that to becoming a national champion again. It just looks too easy. Like I said, the same standard tropes, a lot of montage shots of the protagonist practicing with some heavy duty music playing in the background, and that's it. One would have expected a lot more detailing, a lot more technicality coming into the picture, especially when you have a film that is as long as 2 hours 41 minutes. Now that brings me to the second point which doesn't work in favor of the film. It's very, very long, 2 hours and 41 minutes, and if that time has to be put in, I wish it would have been more focused purely on the boxing bit. There are a lot of transgressions. The story towards the middle of the film becomes more of a romantic track between Farhan and Mrinal Thakur, and how their characters do everything to come together. They fight the world to come together because there is a interfaith marriage. So I think that focus which possibly a Chak De India or a Dangal had is somewhere missing here. Like I said, it makes it look very easy. I would have expected a lot of that intense, searing effort that goes into boxing to have been shown, but that's not visible. It unfortunately becomes a very typical mass masala Bollywood film in parts, especially, and you know the ending. You clearly know who's going to win. So in that sense, there is nothing new, and which is why I feel all this time should have been utilized to showcase the various nuances of boxing as a sport. That I think is missing. That is something we got a sense of in the trailer, but it doesn't seem to be the case in the film. So that's the second part that doesn't work for me. The third is Rakesh Mehra's films. All of them have some great music. They have some very eclectic music, very different music. Whether you look at Aks also, which had some very interesting music, or Delhi 6, or Rang De Basandi, or even Bhag Milkha Bhag for that matter, it had some great music. This film falls completely flat in terms of music. The music is not memorable at all. None of the songs are hummable. Unfortunately, even the title track is not that hummable. So to me, the music also doesn't work a lot. So to me, these 3 points definitely drag the film down. Like I said, the cast packs in all the punches, the story doesn't. I wish a lot more effort had gone into that. But all in all, like I said, you have to give them full marks for sincerity, full marks for effort. And I think the physique that Farhan has built clearly is that of a boxer. At no point in time do you think that here is an amateur guy playing the role of a boxer. He looks, feels and enacts like a boxer would. So that's clearly what pulls up the film despite the cliches and despite the negative points. My rating for this film would be 5.5 on 10, and that is in great measure to the performance of the ensemble cast and the effort put in by Farhan Akhtar. Like I said, I was expecting a lot more from this combination. I think to some extent the writing and the direction pulls the film down, but nonetheless it's still a one-time watch. That's it from our side. I hope you like our review. We'd love to hear your comments on what you think about the film, what works for you, what doesn't. For more such reviews, please do keep coming to our channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.